today I'm going to show you how I turned my boring concrete Toronto condo patio into a little oasis where I can relax and feel a little bit more zen. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, be my friend on the internet. It would mean so much to me. But let's get to the DIY. I finally got around to making my patio into the perfect little oasis. I always hated the beige wall between me and my neighbor, so I finally covered it with these green trellises, which were actually pretty hard to get up, but I made it work. So these are my pineapple supplies. It started with the rug, and then I just decided to fully commit to the theme and get pineapple lanterns, do yellow accents, and just pineapple everything. And here is the patio at night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and it gave you inspiration to make over your own space. Bye.